All right, guys, welcome to another live stream. Welcome to another live stream. Crypto is having a fake out right now. If we look at crypto prices, Bitcoin's at, I believe it's at 60K. Let me take a look really quick. 60,582. And a lot of people are getting worried. A lot of people are on Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, all over the place, and they think that the bull market is over, that Bitcoin's going to 40, 30, it's going to zero. And this typically happens. Like if you remember what I was talking about the previous live stream, not yesterday's live stream, but my past live streams, I've been talking about how September is typically a bearish month, but we actually ended up positive for September. We started off a little bit rocky, and then October is a very bullish month. They call it Uptober, and reason being is because the last few years and almost every halving cycle, October is a very bullish month for Bitcoin, especially the halving year. So I think historically it's gone up 20, 30+% in that month. And then following that, it typically goes on a parabolic run, and we start to see altcoins follow as well. Sometimes some altcoins follow before, depending on the narrative, if the narrative is hot enough. Previously, we had DeFi. Before that I think it was like NFTs and things like that, meme coins. So yeah, right now I think what we're experiencing is a fake out, and the reason being is because so many people are expecting the price to go to 100K by the end of the year. I'm one of those people. I think the price of Bitcoin is going to be at 100K. And I think the price of altcoins are going to be a lot higher. Sorry. So, yeah, I think this is a fake out. Let me share my screen so we can take a look at some prices. All right, yeah, so let's go look at the chart. Let's take a deeper look into the chart here. Let's take a look at the 7-day. Yeah, so if we look at September, we ended up pretty green. And then going into October, I mean, we're only in the second day of October. So it's not to say that October is not going to come. I think it's very well much going to happen. But most people with this price action, they're like, hold on, I thought we were supposed to go up in October. I thought we were supposed to break all-time highs, and we're only on the second day, but people are impatient. These are the people that lose a lot of money in the crypto space, the people that trade in and out. There's a guy on Twitter, and he's just, I don't know if he's doing it on purpose, but he's basically, because on your Twitter feed, you'll get recommendations to people that you may are interested in looking at their posts. I'm not going to say their tweets because it's X. But yeah, and since I look at a lot of crypto stuff, I get a lot of those people that try to predict the market. And this guy literally, every time the price goes up, he's bullish on Bitcoin. Like one day he'll be bullish, the price is up. Then the next day, when the price is down, oh, Bitcoin's going to zero. It's cut. And I think, and the crazy part is a lot of people follow this guy. I wouldn't say a lot. He has 400 to 500 subscribers or followers on Twitter. But I'm pretty sure that X pushes out his page to people that watch crypto. And I remember seeing one of the people comment on his page, and he was like, because of you, I sold my position. And that's the sucky part, because people are paying attention to individuals like this that just post random stuff about price action, has no idea what they're doing. And most likely they even may know what they're doing on the side. They may have their position, they may have stacked a bunch of crypto. They may be buying a bunch of crypto, but they want to shake other people out of the market. So be careful with people like that on Twitter or just any other platform that gives out information as far as crypto. And let me check my mic just to make sure that it's working. Give me just a second. But yeah, you have to be careful with people that give it advice. And he's not really giving advice, but he's giving his opinion. And a lot of people, I don't know how he got a lot of followers, but people follow people follow what people say. Unfortunately, people that give it advice, and he's not really giving advice. But all right, cool, cool. My mic is working. Yeah, so people on Twitter are giving this advice. People are commenting and giving their opinion on the crypto, the Bitcoin prices because it's crashing, right? And you got to think about it. The last 2 to 3 years, we were, or even four, I think it's been 4 years, like prices have just been going down. It's just been this year where we see prices going up. It was like the beginning of this year, and then since I think March or April, we've been trending down, or we haven't been making any new all-time highs. If we look at the chart, we've kind of just been consolidating since after the run up in the beginning of 2024, and BTC has just been consolidating. Now, we did have some altcoins that have gone up, and specifically in the AI sector, DePIN sector, we had some meme coins and then some DeFi stuff like Aerodrone go up in price. But for the most part, altcoins have been getting killed. Bitcoin has been going up, but then it's seeing some price action. I mean, but if you look back into the chart, it's never just a straight shot up, right? You always have these periods in between where you get a dip, right? Like right here, I'm pretty sure on this dip right here. And honestly, this is probably where we're at. This fake out area right here. And then we just, after like a few days, a few weeks, we go all the way up to 60, 70K. So this is normal for the crypto market to have these fake outs. And I think specifically for this month, since historically we see Bitcoin go parabolic and then the altcoins follow, I think right now the market is just faking people out. They're trying to get people to liquidate their positions because they know we're going way higher. So they want people to liquidate. So it's, it just causes for a bigger bounce later. But if you get rid of your positions, you won't be taking advantage of that. So yeah, I think this is a fake out. And don't sell your positions, right? I think if you sell your positions now, you're definitely going to regret it later. Once Bitcoin hits 100K, I strongly believe we'll get that by the end of the year. Honestly, this is probably not even the biggest crash. If you looked at the chart, there was way worse crashes than that when we went from like 60 or 70K all the way down to the 20s. And I don't think we broke 20, but I think we were bouncing between 20 to 30. And yeah, we have worse crashes than this. So don't give up on the first yard line when we're right on the cusp of a huge crypto bull run. You got to remember all the factors in play. One, this is an election year, so politicians do like to see the market do good while during an election. That's one. Two, we just got our first rate cut, 50 basis points, and for the first rate cut after 4 years, right? We haven't had a rate cut in 4 years, so that's number two. Three, we've never had institutional money like we have now in the crypto space because of the spot ETFs, and then four, we just, I'm trying to think about what was the fourth thing. There was something very specific. We have news like the CEO of Binance just got out. That's pretty bullish too. It's one of the largest exchanges on for crypto. So him getting out now, he's not the CEO, but it's just positive news like that. We've gone through all the. We're probably going to be more scams, but we got through the FTX debacle, so that's over. The Mount Gox, that was huge. That was a huge one. Like the people that lost all their money or all their crypto, um, through the Mount Gox exchange, they got basically their BTC back, and all that selling that we got from there is basically over because all that stuff got distributed, and most people with BTC from the Mount Gox exchange probably didn't sell, right? And we were just getting through the 100% of that distribution, which we got through. So, and we're never going to have that again because they already redistributed the crypto on the exchange that got lost. So yeah, there's a bunch of positive news for the crypto space. I think we're going to see higher highs pretty soon. I still think October is going to be very bullish. You never know. I think honestly, I don't think this is going to last for that long. I think people are buying the dip. They're smart. I think the crypto space has matured. I think people know, for the most part, I wouldn't say retail. Retail is still kind of like, they go with whatever they see online, and whatever coin is hot, they're just buying that. But I think in as a whole, the crypto market has matured. So people know the 4-year cycle. People know that October, the election year, is very positive. So I don't see this lasting too long. I see maybe like an additional week, but maybe this turns around tomorrow. And remember, Bitcoin can move pretty quick. So yeah, my take on it is don't sell your positions. At least wait to the new year to see what Bitcoin's going to do. I think we're going to hit 100K by the end of the year. I think Ethereum's going to see new all-time highs as well. We're going to see new all-time highs with altcoins. So yeah, very exciting. And that's my update for the day. I think it's a fake out. I think prices will get better pretty soon. And yeah, don't get scared. All right, some housekeeping items. Make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram, Mr. Financial Nutrition. Make sure you guys go follow me on TikTok, Financial Nutrition. I post Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. So today's Wednesday, so I'll be posting today. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.